There's maybe about 12 different songs, maybe 12 or 13 different techniques on the video. So we're going to go over one. Bless you. That was a good one. Called the high block song. Okay? So the way that we teach Yogarate songs is through a 4-step system. So step number 1 is we sing the nursery rhyme that goes with the song. So the high block song goes to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready, set, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a macaroni pizza pie. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Dude, where's my R?
Oh, funny.
So here's my question. How many of you, when I said we're going to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, your mind's like, oh boy. And you were ready to sing. And then I go squirrel, and you go, oh, what? Like that. And then I go pepperoni pie, and your mind just patterns something again. And you go, oh. And now all of a sudden, instead of making up a story that you're about to be bored singing the song, now you're kind of waiting for like, okay, so what's the punchline? What's he going to end at the end? So, and if you believe that I engaged you, as opposed to you engaging yourself, whatever you choose to believe is whatever's up to you. Does that make sense? Okay. So now, part 2 is I tell the story about why we do the technique. So I was sitting under a tree, and there was a squirrel above me, and it started throwing nuts at my head. It's a true story. So all of a sudden, I looked up, and I felt the nut hit me on top of my head, and I pulled my arms like this. I'm like, Mr. Squirrel, stop doing that. And then he kept on throwing nuts, but then all of a sudden, I pulled my arm over my head, and the nut bounced off of my arm and onto the floor. So I went, oh wait, that's pretty cool. So he threw another nut on my head, and then all of a sudden I pulled my arm over my head like that, and every single time I put my hand over my head, it blocked it. So that's what's called the high block. That's what's called the what? High block. Good. So then we're going to do the third part, which is the actual karate song, before we test it out. So I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. Okay. Now, so what we're going to do is, let's see, I like the way that you have 1 foot back. I like the way that you have 1 foot back. Do I want your feet together or 1 foot back? Okay, cool, awesome. And then do I want your elbows out like chickens or in like kangaroos? Kangaroos. Okay, thanks for talking. Okay, cool. Ready? Let's do the high block song. If you don't know the song, that's fine. We're going to learn it. Ready, set, go. Those 3 through the little song. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. So the I is like the chorus. So that, you have a question? No, it's okay. So the high block, the I is the chorus, so that if you forget what to do, whatever, you can just like like sing along. Okay, good. Let's do it again. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. Awesome.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.